In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop competitors from attacking your Facebook ads. This is a crucial step in ensuring that the hard work you've invested in your campaigns isn't undermined by your competition. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google and type in Facebook Ads Manager. This tool is your control center for managing and analyzing your Facebook ad campaigns. Once you're on the Facebook Ads Manager page, click on the Go to Ads Manager button to access your dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you will need to enter your email and password. Make sure you're using the account associated with the campaigns you wish to manage. Once you've filled in your details, click on the Login button. Next, after logging in, you'll arrive at the campaign's dashboard. Here you can see all your currently active and past campaigns. This overview helps you better understand their performance at a glance. Now look for the All Tools icon, usually symbolized as a grid or menu. Clicking this will open a list of additional resources. Locate and select Events Manager from this list. Inside the Events Manager, you will have the opportunity to click on Data Sources. This is where you can manage the flow of data coming to and from your ad campaigns. Now, to further protect your campaigns from competitor interference, click on the Settings tab. Scrolling down a bit, you'll find the Traffic Permissions section. This is an important part of your security setup on Facebook. Here, click on Create Allow List. Creating an allow list means specifying domains that are permitted to interact with your events. By doing this, you're effectively blocking unknown or potentially harmful entities from tampering with your metrics. Enter your allowed domain in the provided field. It's best practice to include your business domain along with any partner domains directly involved in your campaigns. Make sure you double check the domain entries for any typos, as these could impede legitimate data from coming through. After you're satisfied with your list, click on Next, which will prompt you to confirm everything. Finally, click on the Confirm button to save your changes. This step is crucial because it ensures that your preferences are updated and active. Once confirmed, a notification should appear indicating that your settings have been saved. To finish, simply click on Close and you're all set. By following these steps, you're safeguarding your Facebook campaigns against external threats and ensuring that they're operating efficiently. Protecting your ad campaigns allows you to focus on creating engaging content without worrying about competitor interference. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.